So I've got the paint stripped off the back here. Comes off so easily, it's not like hard at all. The wire brush seems to be the best tool for that job. Got some Pour 15 behind the dashboard in readiness for truck bed liner, whatever. I still have loads more sanding to do, but this is what I decided to do tonight. Got this side stripped off. Tagged the paint on the gutter though, which I'm a bit pissed about, but whatever. Done all that too. Oh, just need to clean that off there real quick. It does like to drip, this Pour 15, but it's pretty good stuff. I hear such mixed reviews about this Pour 15. People say it's crap, people say it's great. I did the whole frame, but I covered it in a synthetic paint, which I think most people neglect to do. Just got a lot of these edges done. Kind of wanted to get that on there. So pretty happy with that. I did it under here as well. Got that done. Comes out of all these cracks. Suppose it helps seal it, hey? You find all the little holes you missed. Not that I missed that many. There's just a couple. There's like one there. Just a bit more welding up to do. So today's been about making the windlace work. Well, making the matching up some windlace track. This is a cover off of a door closer. I had a root around in the scrap, and it's about the right thickness. I'm just trying to get through my list of stuff. I wanted to use the Pour 15 on this bit here, clean, get that on there, and a few other bits I missed. And the 5mm in the bottom of the pot is completely jellified and is useless. It won't go over paint very well. The best I've found it goes over is this type of surface. So it's no, like, go over it with a wire brush, get all the crap off of it mainly, and then hit it with the Pour 15. I mean, this is going to get shot blasted and painted from scratch, that's fine. But you can't take the cab off and shot blast it. Well, I suppose you can, but I just go around it my way. So yeah, at this point the back is all cleaned out. I feel like this just came out of the, let me wide angle it. I feel like the pressings came out of the machine, the forge, whatever you want to call it, the pressing stamp, jubbly moo, and then they just put paint on, because it came off so easily. I never have seen paint come off that easily with a wire wheel. I wish the rust came off that easily, but it doesn't. I said to myself, I am not going to buy the paint until I'm ready to paint, because what will happen is I'll get impatient to put the paint on and then just do it, and it won't be good. So every time I turn around, I see a bit which needs more. It'll be alright though. I'll get there. So we've got Raptor Liner, we've got the mixing cup for the hardener, and it says use 10% paint, so that would be 100ml. So that's 100 millilitres in there, so we put that on the side. That's 100ml. Try this out. This is the colour it's going to be. Check that out. This is just 2K paint. So I've got that all coated nicely. Put lots of coats on. I think the underside was a good side to practice on, see what the texture comes out like. But I think I got good coverage all the way through. So I come back a few hours after shooting this paint just to see how it's looking. I'm really pleased with it. It's kind of touch dry now. It's flashed off. I think it looks really, really good. Took some of the masking off. It's a real learning experience, to be honest with you. And I think the underside is the best side to learn on, but I've got it really heavily packed on there. I think the underside and the front would have probably been alright with 1.5 litres of the stuff, but I just went over it more and more. It'll have like a sound deadening effect, even though the inside's going to get sound deadening matting as well. But yeah, I think that's where I'm going to leave this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, leave a comment below. I always like to hear what you've got to say about this stuff. Next time it will be putting the cab back on the frame for the last time. Take it easy.